The problem with design concepts and terminology is that they can seem really abstract to most people. Take the hierarchy of needs, for instance. Most of us have seen, or at least familiar with, Maslow's triangle, where physiological needs are on the bottom and self-actualization is on the top. The idea is that humans are motivated to fulfill their most basic needs first before they move to the more advanced ones. So for example, we're not going to solve any existential questions about life and human existence if we don't have enough food to eat. So the question is, as designers, how can we apply this theory of human motivation to our work? A design has no chance of being successful if it doesn't meet people's basic needs first. In other words, we must understand the product's core purpose and functionality before we can satisfy the higher level needs. So we start out with functionality first, then reliability, then usability, then proficiency, and then finally creativity. This is called the design hierarchy of needs, and it was conceptualized by Stephen Bradley in 2010. You can see how this works if you think about the evolution of the design of a spoon over time. At first, humans only needed the most basic scoop, so they used their hands. Then we made something that was more reliable. After that, we added usability to it by giving it a handle. Then we made it more proficient by upgrading the materials and the ergonomics. And finally, we topped it all off with creativity. Now take this one step further and look at the perceived value of a product and how it corresponds to the hierarchy of needs. People will regard products as being more valuable when they are functional, beautiful, easy to use, and creative over a product that is just solely functional. The goal of designers should be to bake usability and creativity into every product that they design. Think about this as you go about your day. Where do the products that you're using or designing fall into the pyramid? And if you're a designer, can you come up with ideas that really meet those higher level needs?